What's going on, people? It's your boy.
74, yeah.
Today, I'm gonna do something a little different. As you already know, got my carpet in, part of the way, and I got these brown seatbelts still to go with my black and gray that I changed it over to. So today, we're gonna get these seatbelts out, and we're gonna go to send them to Safety Restore, and they're gonna take my seatbelts, put new webbing in them, different color, whatever color I want, and then they're gonna send them back. Then we're gonna install them. I sit here defeated. It's been about an hour and a half trying to get those bolts out. It's not happening. And the only reason I'm taking them out is to change the color. So, guess what? I'm gonna do it the cheapo way. Pull the seatbelt out, put some fabric paint on it. See how long that holds up. I'm defeated. So I went to the depot and got this something called Glidden Max Flex all surface vinyl and everything is supposed to stick to. It's called Black Elegance. That's the color that the seatbelts are now. That's the color that it was. Nothing in the car is gray. Is tan. Everything's gray tone. And this will fit right in. So it's probably gonna take a few days of putting on a coat, letting it dry, letting it sink in or whatever. Hopefully it don't suck too bad and be all gummy, and we shall see. Okay. Looks like it'll be alright for the color. We'll see what the feel is like. So I've made some executive decisions. I'm going to paint everything. Problem is the sleeve up here, still tan. I have to work kind of hard to try to paint that and avoid the fabric up there. So what I'm going to do is not paint it, just the sleeve. I'm going to cut the sleeve off. The top of the sleeve is black. Sorry, can't see it. Top of the sleeve is black. So I'm just going to cut it off and go from there. Well, it's getting dark now. Got that gray seatbelt over here. Gray seatbelt too. Still gotta get the that little lever up there. That little cover painted black. Same thing with this. Great.
Put a little sneak peek right here. Bow. How was that? One more time. Bow. I should be cool. All right, people.
Jimmy Light 74, yeah.